Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Rich43. Hope you're all doing good, hope you're all well guys. Right, this slot is usually for the Ferrari F40, but I've not been able to get an issue this week guys, so I'm giving you another little bit of a treat. As you can see just over my shoulder here, I've got the DeLorean, my first build I ever did 1.8 scale, build your own DeLorean. Built that about 3 or 4 years ago guys. What I'm going to do today is show you what it looks like with the other wheels. If you can just see there in the background, you've got the standard wheels which are off Back to the Future 1. What I'm going to be doing today, if I just grab this, is I'm going to be fitting these white wall tyres from Back to the Future 3 in the Wild Wild West. So without further ado guys, let's crack on. Right then, so let's jump straight into this guys. I've got my tools, so you just need this little screwdriver. What I'll do is I'll move these tyres wheels out of the way, but this is what we're going to put on to this model. I'm a bit worried how these are gone now guys. As you can see that crack there, that's not dust or a line, that's actual crack, which I'm not very happy about. What I'll do is I'll put that one to one side, and to be honest, they've all got cracks on. I've got another one here that's got a crack on. Not to worry, gives it a bit of dated look, if that means anything. What we'll do is we're going to put these two wheels on the DeLorean like so, and I'll show you the front one when we're done and we'll see how those look. Right, now you would not believe how nervous I am doing this guys, because if you've ever watched anyone build this DeLorean, it's very sentimental. Things break where they shouldn't break, but we'll crack on with it. These little plastic things here, these are what we're going to like jack the car up with, so we can take the wheels off without damaging any of the car. So what we'll do is these go like so, just at the side of the car. See, one would do to hold that, to be fair, but I'm going to put two just in case. And then what we'll do, you have to take the centre cap off, which you've got to be careful not to damage the centre cap, which I'll show you in a minute how it looks. This is easier said than done to take these out. I know they're good, but I didn't know they were that good. Right, there we go, there's that one out. Look at the detail guys on that. Let's just have folks in DMC. Pretty cool. And while we're at it, if I just swing the camera around, you can watch me take the front one off. And guys, I'm only going to take these two side wheels off this side. I'm not going to do it all around the car, because you can imagine what they're going to look like. There's the one DMC. There's no need to take everything off. And if I just get across the screwdriver, and then, oh, before we do this though guys, I think you've seen it on some of the other videos, check them out guys in the playlist. These do come down like so. So you like Back to the Future 2 when it's flying. Right. So here goes nothing. Let me just pull the camera back around for you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the screwdriver what I actually had with this when I built it. No, I'm not, because it don't fit. I'm going to try this screwdriver. It's got a bit of a good head on there. Right, if I just, there we go, I've got a bite there guys. Yeah, I've never taken these wheels off because I was worried they wouldn't go back on. Right, that's that done. That's one wheel off. And we'll take the front one off. Just be careful not to push the car off the jacks, if that's what you want to call them, because if you do that, I could end up damaging underneath. Bear with me, guys. Yeah, got that bite. And that's the two wheels off. And as you can see, that's what it looks like with the wheel off. You've actually got real suspension there, guys. That is real metal. Now I'll have a look at the front one while I've got that one off. It is very good build quality, guys. That just flips down, like I said at the beginning of the video. So you can have Back to the Future 2 flying DeLorean. Now, I've never done this, as I've said, but I would have thought these red, I keep saying red, white wall tyres should just screw in to these plates. So without further ado, guys, let's crack on and get these wheels on. Okay, so that's what these wheels look like. That's the inside, and that's the plate for the wheel. So what we're going to do is gently just push that out. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Look pretty cool like that, actually. 90s wheel. What I'm going to do is use the same screws as we used for the original wheels. I just can get those out of there, that's it. Yeah, you've got like a little washer on there, as you can see. Just helps you screw. I'm hoping these are going to fit, you know, after I'm doing this now. Right, so we've got the screw in there. Yeah, that washer's just to stop it going right through, because you can imagine it'll go right through the wheel. Right, then here we go. So, place that on there like so. And then just give it a little tighten. God, I can't believe how different that looks. Just by the different wheel, obviously it gives you the whole new look from Back to the Future 3. And as I've said, guys, I've never done this ever. I've never changed the wheels on here. Right, just got the other wheel here. Guys, if you enjoy this video, you think it's cool, I hope you do, give it a like, give it a big like. And if you're not already, guys, give it a subscribe. And let's just put this front wheel on. Yeah, I can't believe how that's popped. It looks a total different car now, which is how it's meant to look. Totally different. Just hold that there, sorry, blocking your view, guys. 2 seconds, there you go. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? Gives it a whole different look. The raised arches on these white wall tyres from Back to the Future 3 when they're in the West, the Wild West. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to hold the camera and gently push these rims on. And that's going to look really cool. Look at that. What do you think, guys? Give that a big like, guys, if you think that look cool. And again, if you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button for us, please. And the like, guys, it just supports me on this channel, so I can bring you a lot more stuff, more content in the future. But guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. But look at the difference these wheels make to this DeLorean. I do prefer, to be fair, me personally, I do love these wheels on there. I just prefer that image of the Back to the Future DeLorean. But this does look pretty cool, and to go with that, obviously you've got this bit here, which is from Back to the Future 3, what Doc makes up with all the circuits, etc. But yeah, that is cool. Does look cool. Right, guys, stay tuned tomorrow, because I think I'm going to put another one up with the railway wheels, which is also from Back to the Future 3. that goes onto the track, which I have got as well, the railway track. So if you're interested, guys, please come onto the channel tomorrow and take a look at another video putting the railway wheels on. But for now, guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big like and subscribe for more. Do hope you enjoyed that little video, guys, of putting the white wall tyres on the Back to the Future DeLorean from the film Back to the Future 3. It's just a little fun video, guys, to show you what this car looks like, how different it looks with different wheels. If you liked it, guys, please give it a big like. And if you're not already, please subscribe. Appreciate all your support, guys. If you want to see another one of these tomorrow with the railway wheels on it, off Back to the Future 3 when it's on the railway track, please tune in tomorrow, guys. That'll be posted up roughly the same time tomorrow. But for now, guys, see ya. Peace.